Alright guys, it is Saturday night again in time for another awesome Christmas movie night in the cozy Christmas movie room down here. Tonight, we are going to be watching Elf, and I have to say, this Blu-ray has the worst menu of any I've ever seen. That's not even the menu right there. I literally just let it go to the part where it says Elf on screen during the movie, because when you put the movie in, it automatically starts playing, and this is the only thing you get down here as far as any kind of menu. I love physical media, DVDs, Blu-rays, 4Ks, but man, did they get lazy with those title screens. Anyway, so tonight we're watching Elf. As you can see, we have our Christmas tree up here and our Elf corner over here with the poster and our very strange Elf animatronic from Home Depot. I love it even though it's totally weird. And tonight, for our Elf movie night, we are going to be making an awesome snack that I like to call cotton-headed mini muffins. Stay tuned, guys. We'll be right back. Very quick, very easy snack, and I'm going to show you how to do it in just a second. So like I said, guys, this is going to be like the easiest snack ever. This is all we're going to use right here. Entenmann's Little Bites Party Mini-Size Cake Muffins. Now, of course, you can make your own mini muffins if you want to, but how easy is this? I picked these up at Sam's Club for 10 bucks. I certainly didn't need 20 pouches. However, for 10 bucks, you get 20 pouches. At Walmart, for $7, you get 10 pouches. So it was a much better deal to get the value pack from Sam's Club. Next, we have this green Betty Crocker decorating icing. Now, this is the kind that you want because we're basically going to use this to make little elf hats on top our mini muffins. We're also going to use these Betty Crocker decorating tips right here, which will help us to accomplish that. I think we're going to use probably this one right here. And again, this is the kind of icing you need right here so that it will be able to stand up like a hat. Other kinds of icing will just kind of settle on top and it won't work to make a hat. I really wanted some green and red, but green was the only one that I could find. In addition, I have this pack of sprinkles here that has a lot of different kinds of sprinkles. We could use any of them that we want, actually. But what I like was the little trees here. Because if you remember in the movie Elf, Buddy has you can kind of see it on there, a very small feather sticking out of his hat. And the only thing I could find to accomplish that with was these little tiny trees here. Now, unfortunately, I couldn't find any gold icing, and I don't have any gold sprinkles either to make the gold band around his hat there, so we're just gonna have to do without, I guess. But that's okay, I'm just glad we found the Christmas trees. That will serve the purpose of giving us that feather in his hat. And I also had some eyes here when I was going through my stuff. You know I like to use these eyes on things. I might put a couple of eyes on one of these muffins and just see how it comes out. So these mini muffins, yeah, they're called Little Bites. I think you can find mini muffins just at the bakery if you want to get those. But these come in their own little individual packs. And if we rip one of these open, you can see there are 4 mini muffins in each pack. They're just basically supposed to be made for like kids' lunches and stuff. But I think they're perfect movie night packs. Now, these are also the party muffins. They have chocolate, they have, I think, regular white ones. Yeah, they have blueberry, a couple of different kinds. I chose the party cake muffins because it's a party up in here. They taste delicious. I just love them. And I thought it would be the best tasting out of all of them since we're going to be putting icing on. So I've just taken 3 packs here, opened them up, put them on a plate. And yeah, we're just going to take our green icing, open up our decorating tips here, and we're going to use this one right here. If for any reason that doesn't work right, we'll go ahead and try another tip. But you basically just put the tip right on top of that. Again, these are both made by Betty Crocker. You want to make sure you get the ones that are going to fit. And then in theory, we're just going to be able to make some elf hats on top of each muffin. So around like that, and give it a little tip. That is hilarious. Cotton-headed mini muffins. Little tip. Honestly, I'm not even sure I'm going to have enough icing in this one tube to do all of these. But we'll have enough to show you how it's going to work. I think these are hilarious, and they're going to be delicious. Yeah, I might have enough to get all these done that I put on here. We have, what, 12 of them here, I think? Some of these are not perfect. And the last one here. And we are almost out of icing. Yeah, if you were going to make any more than that, you would definitely need a couple more tubes. Now we're just going to grab our sprinkles here, go to our little trees. And this is a cool container here. You just open it up and turn it around to what you want. And there's a little hole there. It lets you sprinkle out only the sprinkles that you want. And apparently some other ones, because I got a bunch of these little ones in there too. I'm going to put those right on a paper towel there. And we're going to go for the white ones, because those I think are going to show up the best in our muffins here. That's the best we can do to give them a little feather in the hat. But that is hilarious, and it actually is working. There you go. Feather in the hat, feather in the hat, feather in the hat. Let's try some red ones since we got them out here. Yeah, the red ones, I mean, you can't really see them against the green there, but they are in there, and it's the best we can do for a feather. So there we go. And just for the heck of it, let's pull out a couple of these eyeballs here. We need the small ones. Look at those giant ones. And for this, I'm going to have to lift up the thing here. Man, this is kind of difficult without, like, messing up the frosting that's on there. One eye. Two eye. Okay, that is hilarious. Look at the one with the eyes. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. More eyes. Yeah, those are so funny. The ones with the eyes are the best ever. And there we go, guys. I am so glad I pulled out those eyes. Look how hilarious that is. Cotton-headed mini muffins for our elf movie night. These were so easy to make. $10 for the muffins, about $5 for the icing and that little tip, and then the eyes are probably $2-3. I think you can get them at the Dollar Tree as well. Those are so hilarious. And I'm going to taste one right now, but I'm going to do the one that I didn't have enough eyes for. Oh, those are so delicious and so hilarious. There you go. I transferred them over to a white plate to take the thumbnail for the video. Oop, they keep falling over. They're front heavy because of the eyes. You know what they actually remind me of is Oscar the Grouch. How hilarious is that? If you did like a Sesame Street movie night, you could make all the characters like this. Green for Oscar, red for Elmo, yellow for Big Bird. That would be so awesome. I'm going to revisit that idea. So very cool. These turned out so much better than I expected. All right, guys, I'm going to go downstairs, put in Elf, kick back, and enjoy my movie night with my cotton-headed mini muffins. If you make these, make sure you post a picture on the Facebook group, That Nate Guys and Gals. I cannot wait to see them. Does someone need a hug? You are very good at decorating that tree. Guess what? I saw a dog today. Why is your coat so big? Do you have a best friend? Does he have a big coat too? I'm in a store and I'm singing! Candy, candy canes, candy corns, and syrup. Ooh, it's very sucky! Shh.